Hey guys, um, um, sorry I've not made any videos because I had a little accident and it hurts like ouch, but it's healing. I stand on it yesterday, it was fine, kind of, but, uh, yeah, so I guess I gotta make a video like this, and I can still make videos, but not that much. Can't like make weirdest, funniest videos, or I am bored. There is going to be a part 2 of that, and I cannot, I thought I was going to do the Five Nights at Freddy's trailer, because, actually it's not Five Nights at Freddy's, there's other Five Nights at Freddy's games that I created. It's called Five Nights, Five Nights at Elines, I'm going to make that when this is healed. Maybe about a week, or maybe in 4 days. Actually, it's been, oh, let's see, it's been 3 days, or 4, so that means 5 or 6 days. So, yeah, it's freaking hurting. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna do a birdify knife with the paper. It's an easy version. It's just 2 things. I will show you when this is healed how to make it, actually. Or you can do it on your own. You can do anything you want with it. You can make it shorter, you can make it bigger. I cut the sides because they'll make it easy to move it around, kind of. But, yeah, I'm finished to make it. Fudge myself. Fudge. It's hard. Oh, just hit my chin. I like to sleep with a boot. That way I don't kick it. I want to have the covers over the boot. So, yeah. Fudge. Okay. Whoa. And Mom said maybe on my birthday she'll give me a real one. I don't know, but maybe. So I made this. If you guys want to make this, I could teach you how to play one of these right now. So there you go. So right now, you gotta like this. So there's this. You could do an easy one. This one's a hard one. You have to catch it a lot. Come back. I did it yesterday. Achoo! Achoo! I did it. Really hard. But you could do it easy. Like, put your index finger right up here, and then go back. It makes it bounce. So, let me do it. It bounces a little, and then when you can do that, you could catch it. But, yeah. I'm going to teach you the easy way, which is I've been practicing about it. I made this yesterday. And then, okay, here we go. What you're going to do is get all your fingers here. Lift up your pinky. Then you're going to, like, let your thumb go through and then bounce it back. Which is your pinky is going to do the work to make it bounce. So like this. Bounce. You could do it a little bit harder if you just like made it spin like this. I need speed to do it. But, okay. So I'm gonna get my middle finger into here, like let it switch with my index finger. So yeah, so it's really hard to do sometimes. But right now I'm going on a loop, like putting my index finger and my middle finger back together, back and back. Ugh, I just hit my face. It takes a lot of practice. I've been dropping it a lot, and I have to get up and then go get it. I messed up. And an easier way is like this. You like make it as scissors, and then you're gonna twist it like that. First you have to make your finger go up. If you make it faster, it'll get around, because when you do it slow, it'll get stuck. So you have to make it go through. And then you can do this. Then you got that under. And then you can do this. Okay, and then index finger and then there. You could do that if you have your middle finger. You could do this, like that. And thumb, you got your thumb under there. So, oh gosh, I messed up again. Fudge. First you need to look at it, practice with it, like you have to practice looking. Fudge. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I did, and I'm going to put it all together. So, here we go. Right now I'm going to start with the scissors. So, fudge. Fudge. Okay, don't look at me. I'm trying. Okay. Put jacket. Okay. And go for a loop a little with my index finger and my middle finger. And then go ahead and just kind of almost messed up. Okay, so I get that. Last part. Yeah. I usually like, yeah. Now, you guys try. And tell me in the comments if you're still having trouble. I could make another video. Which is I'm going to make another video.